Hey, good afternoon. Tonight we're going to make a super simple dinner. Kielbasa, kolbasa, however you want to say it, and sauerkraut. But it's going to be a casserole because it's going to be baked in the oven. Casserole to me is one pan. This takes 2 pans because I'm going to soften the onion because I need to make a chicken broth, half and half gravy, because instead of par cooking the potatoes, I'm going to thinly slice the potatoes with a mandolin and lay them in the bottom of the dish like scalloped potatoes. This is real easy because we're going to cheat. I have fully cooked Polish kielbasa. I got 2 pounds of potatoes. I'm going to slice those with a mandolin so they are all the same thickness, and that's what will line the bottom of the 13x9 pan. I got the onion, which is what I'm going to saute to soften up to make the half and half chicken broth gravy. Yellow mustard, flour, we got the half and half chicken broth. Get the caraway seeds, salt and pepper, mandolin, 13x9. We're going to go ahead and soften the onions with this clarified butter. Okay, clarified butter is melted. We're going to put the onions in. Probably let them go 5 to 8 minutes. Get them softened up. Okay, the onions are translucent. Half teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 teaspoon of caraway seeds. We're going to put them in until they're fragrant. Oh man, those smell good. Now we're going to add the half and half chicken broth. Now we'll add the flour, chicken broth, half cup of half and half. We'll let this come up to a simmer. Okay, now we're going to mandolin these taters. We get these all the same thickness. They all cook perfectly the same. When you get down to the end, I'll pass on that. I don't need a finger in the bowl. Let's line the baking dish. So we have 2 pounds of sauerkraut, rinsed, drained, and squeezed, but there's still moisture in this. This is a dish towel. We're going to wrap this in and we're going to squeeze, we're going to wring it and squeeze some more. You want to get as much liquid out of this sauerkraut as you possibly can. I think that'll do it. We have the oven preheated to 400 degrees. We got our squeezed sauerkraut. We're going to put that in this bowl. Looks like a big old dough ball, doesn't it? We're going to mix in 1/4 cup of mustard, yellow mustard. All right, now we're going to add the onion cream sauce to that. Now the kielbasa. Now we'll lay it on the potatoes. We'll do 30 minutes covered, 30 minutes uncovered. Okay, we're going to take this foil off. We're going to go 30 more minutes. Ooh, man, I wish you could smell that. Holy schmoly. All right, 30 minutes. Here we go. Okay, timer went off. Let's pull this sucker out of the oven. Ooh, that's a little toasted on top. Oh, that smells so good. I hope that tastes as good as it smells. Okay, we gotta let that cool for 15, 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes. Let's plate this up. Ooh, it's nice and crusty on the top. The potatoes are done. They got a nice little crusty ring on them. Okay, it's taste test time. This is the old kielbasa and the sauerkraut. Ooh, that's good. You know, those potatoes came out really good for not pre-cooking them. Slicing them thin and layering the bottom of that pan. That came out really good too. I would have grated me some apple and added that to the mixture. Because this is really good. It's not runny and soupy. It's kind of pasty, like starchy, which is really good. I'm impressed. The scalloped potato base worked out very well. I give 2 thumbs up to the scalloped potato base with the bouillon half and half cream sauce poured over the top. And the pre-cooked kielbasa, you can't go wrong with that. That was super easy. And it's not super greasy. It's an hour in the oven, half an hour covered with foil, half an hour uncovered, 400 degrees. Man, that is delicious and tasty. Well, cheers with a purple gin and tonic. It kind of changes color with whatever sugar content you add. I threw a lime in there and I've got regular tonic. It came out a nice light purple. Well, thanks for watching. Cheers with an Empress 908 gin and tonic. Take care. Have a good weekend. Cheers. See ya.